Welcome to TD Film Studios on-screen acting workshop here in 6 Mile, Guwahati. Hello, I am Tarunabh Dutta with over 18 years of experience and 8 successful editions of acting workshops. I have had the pleasure of guiding over 150 actors onto the silver screen. Now I invite you to join our comprehensive on-screen acting workshop right here in Guwahati. From understanding the camera's perspective to mastering the audition process, we cover it all. Our course is designed for both beginners and professionals, covering a broad range of genres and acting styles. We delve deep into the art of script interpretation, improvisation, and even method acting. We will guide you on portraying real-life characters, adapting to different roles, and even building a versatile acting portfolio. But that's not all. We also address the business side of acting, preparing you for the industry's demands and teaching you how to handle the spotlight professionally. Join us at our studio and embark on a journey to discover the actor within you. TD Film Studio, empowering actors, creating stars.